Hey guys, come on in, let me teach you a simple Christmas makeup look. So first of all, I have to use my spoolie. I brush my eyebrows. You can use eyebrow gel. Next, I take some powder. I'm just going to pat it with it to set in any form of oils. Can you see this? It's actually oily here, so I'll set it in so my pencil can draw. So I'm just gonna start from here. Just gonna draw like another line above. Coming in, tilting your pencil, then you merge the two lines, and I go ahead and fill it in. We can go ahead with the spoolie and just fit out this point. So I'm gonna start from here. Just conceal. Take another fresh, clean brush and pat it in. Pat in the excess product, like tap, 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 tap. We're done with the eyebrows. Actually, your eyeshadow, you need to use eyeshadow base or any concealer, but your eyeshadow must sit on something. So we're just gonna go ahead and tap, 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 press it in. So I'm gonna take this brown here, so I'm just gonna blend it in. I'm gonna take this black now, just use it on my outer corner to just blend it like this. You should always put darker shades on your outer corner, not a lighter shade. My shimmerish color eyeshadow will be sitting. I want it to be a little more brighter. So I take a shimmerish color and just press it, pat it in here. I'm gonna be using gel to do my eyelid. Extend a small wing. Right now, I'm gonna open my eye like this. I just want to line my waterline. So this is it for the eye look. We're gonna go ahead now and do the rest of the face. Next thing, I'll go in with my serum. This is me applying my primer. This is my sunscreen. I'm using this foundation from L'Oreal. This brush to spread it on my face. Now when we are done with the foundation stage, so we're just gonna go ahead to highlight right now. That's my concealer. You don't apply too much concealer under your eyes, else it will cause creasing. A little bit on my forehead, a little bit here. Using a damp beauty blender, I'm gonna look up like this and I press it in. See, okay. I'm gonna go ahead now and blend out this one, blend it in. This is how you move it outward. Now I go in and blend the bridge of my nose. Blend my forehead, like conceal on my forehead. Right now we'll go in and apply some blush. You can blend it right up to your temples. You see that? So right now I'm gonna go ahead and blend it in this one. I'm gonna go in now and contour my nose. So you wanna make sure that you take your time to do a straight line. I'm just gonna take a clean finger and just tap it in, tap, 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 tap. So can you see that I already got some shadows around my nose? And blend it right up to where your eyebrows start. blend it in like this. Hope you can see it clearly. I'll contour my forehead now. So we have to set our under eyes and set the rest of your face, but before you set your under eyes, you need to look up. You go in again with the beauty blender. You touch it one more time to avoid creasing. So this is my setting powder. It doesn't matter which one you are using, banana or which one. This is the one I'm using. This is from Fit Me. I have this puff powder sponge. I'm gonna dip it right into my powder. I spread it out. I look up one more time. I just press it in. I do the same thing here. Apply a little bit here, yeah, some here, and the bridge of my nose. So you have to allow it to sit a little bit, which I've done that already. Then you go ahead to set, actually setting your whole face with this particular powder, your normal powder. I mean the powder that everyone can apply. Blush. This is highlighter. You take the one that is closer to your skin tone. Just gonna go ahead and apply it here. So while waiting for my eyelashes to get sticky, let me go ahead and do my lips. So let me go ahead and stick on my eyelashes so you can see how the finished look is. So this is the finished look, guys. If you love this tutorial, don't forget to let me know on the comment section, and don't also forget to share it, like, comment, and until next time, see you, bye.